Okay, so as you can see, it's a nice looking machine. It's got a brand new chuck on it. It's got the 5C collet rack and a bunch of collets go with it. It's got the Aloris tool holder, a couple of Aloris, Aloris tool posts, a couple of Aloris tool holders, along with, it's got one Aloris and then a couple other imports, 3 others. So total of four cutters involved, or 4 tool holders, along with the Aloris tool post. It's got a taper attachment on it. The taper attachment needs a clamp piece, and the screw piece needs a little repair done. It does have coolant, and right now I'm just going to run her through all the speeds so you can hear how great she runs, and then we'll do a little test cut. But so I'm going to start her off at her lowest speeds. Lowest speed being 55. Does have a foot brake. So this will be 103. This should be 183. Side of the high, we'll have her in 360 right here. I'm sorry, that was 680. So this will be 360 RPM here. And then the third speed should be 1200. Go to the highest speed, which is 1800, and we'll work our way down. Next speed will be 1020. Sounds as good as forward, by the way. The next speed will be 550. Then we'll kick her over to 275. We'll go 155. And the lowest speed around this range, on the high speed range, would be 83. So as you can see in here, it just is a beautiful running machine. All of the feeds work, as you can see on our rod here. We have done some thread. This is a left-hand thread, very fine thread, very coarse thread. I want to say that was like 2 or 3 threads per inch, maybe 4. And then this was like a 20 pitch or a 24 pitch. So we did check the threading and make sure everything was good in there. So I'm going to go ahead. I'll put her in. I'm going to run her at about 680 RPM, and I'm going to do a test cut. I'll just show you this cutting out here. I'm just going to do a skim cut. So I'm going to put her at 680 RPM, do a little cut there, and show you how nice it cuts. My insert's too good at this point, but we're going to go ahead and do it right now. So I just wanted you to be able to see how nice the finish is and how nice it runs. How I mean, you got to hear the spindle speeds. Just an absolutely beautiful machine. And that's going to conclude this video.